inches is from here to here. So that's how long, that's how the fish has got to be. Once you get the tape, all right, here, let's let a little bit of that out.
That tape?
So we let a little more of this out. So it's not tangled.
Dad, where's the tape?
Right here. In the drawer.
What?
This he said in the drawer.
In the drawer. Thank you.
You know where those?
No, it's not what I thought you meant.
Yusuf, you want a pair of sunglasses?
No, I didn't.
18 is to the ends of this one.
I took the bait already.
So 17. Did you feel him take it?
Where's the bait?
Did you feel him? No.
No.
They ate it?
Oh yeah, maybe he took it.
They're out.
Uh-huh.
They're out. They're very sneaky.
But they ate the bait and they just...
They don't care.
The same?
Gone.
Yeah, I think I was too late. No way.
They ate both the fish and the squid.
I was too late, I think, to do it.
Okay, we're coming.
Yeah, it happens, sir. Do you need help?
You was hoping.
We should keep. I feel like we should keep that squid open.
I just don't want it to fall over.
Hmm.